In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to extract email addresses from mail folders in Outlook 5 minutes. We'll use the Outlook desktop app to quickly export a folder's messages into a CSV file, which you can open in Excel or another spreadsheet to see sender and recipient addresses in one place. This is great for building a clean list from your inbox, sent items, or any custom folder. Start by opening Outlook on your computer. Once it's up, head to the top left and open the File tab. This takes you to Outlook's Backstage view, where you'll find tools for saving, opening, and moving your data. In that view, choose Open and Export, then select Import Export. This launches the Import and Export wizard, which is where we tell Outlook to create a file from the messages in a folder. When the wizard asks what you want to do, choose Export to a file, then click Next to continue. On the next screen, pick comma-separated values. CSV is a simple, universal format that spreadsheets can read, and it makes pulling out email addresses straightforward. Click Next. If you see a print option at this stage, go ahead and click Print as shown. This is sometimes presented as part of the flow to confirm output formatting. Once that's done, continue in the wizard. Now select the mail folder you want to export from. You can pick your inbox, sent items, or drill into subfolders on the same account. The folder you choose determines which messages Outlook includes, so if you're after a specific project or client, select that folder. Click Next. Choose where you want to save the CSV file and give it a clear name like inboxemails.csv so it's easy to find later. Click Next again. To start the process, click Finish. Outlook will export the contents of that folder into your CSV. If the folder has a lot of messages, this can take a moment, so let it complete. Once the file is created, open it in Excel or Google Sheets. You'll see columns such as From, To, CC, and Subject. The From and To fields are where you'll find the email addresses you exported. From there, you can sort, filter, and remove duplicates to refine your list. Be mindful of privacy and any compliance rules your organization follows before using or sharing these addresses. That's it, you've exported a folder to CSV and set yourself up to extract the email addresses you need quickly and cleanly. If this helped, save the steps and repeat them anytime you want to pull addresses from another Outlook folder.